This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the cooler. Near steady temperature in the lower 40s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, rain until midnight.